Today we're dissecting Xiaomi's most ambitious flagship yet, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Positioned as a no-compromise device, this phone promises to blur the line between smartphone and professional tool. With its Leica-engineered quad-camera array, Snapdragon 8 Elite Silicon, and a display that redefines brightness standards. Does it truly dominate the ultra-premium segment, or does it buckle under its own ambitions? Let's dive deep into the engineering marvel that is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Let's begin with the design. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra makes an immediate statement with its aluminum alloy frame and aerospace-grade glass back panel, engineered to dissipate heat while resisting micro-scratches. This phone, to be honest, is quite bulky and heavy at 9.4 millimeters thick and 228 grams. It's undeniably substantial, but the contoured edges and matte finish ensure a secure grip. Xiaomi's collaboration with Leica is evident in the camera module's design. A polished aluminum accent ring houses 4 sensors, flanked by a laser-etched Leica logo that subtly catches the light. The device is IP68 rated, surviving dust storms, submersion, and extreme temperatures, ideal for adventurers. Available in 3 color options, like silver chrome, white, and black, this is a phone that exudes luxury without sacrificing resilience. The display on this device is nothing short of extraordinary. Its expansive 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED panel pushes boundaries with an industry-leading 3,200 nits peak brightness, making HDR content come alive with cinema-quality contrast that remains perfectly visible even in harsh sunlight. What makes this screen truly intelligent is its adaptive LTPO 4.0 technology, seamlessly adjusting the refresh rate from a power-saving 1 Hz for static content all the way up to 120 Hz for fluid gaming and multitasking. The display's secret weapon is its original Color Pro technology, which dramatically reduces the screen door effect by 40% compared to previous generations, resulting in noticeably sharper and more natural-looking images. When combined with professional-grade 10-bit color reproduction and Dolby Vision IQ's dynamic optimization, this transforms the screen into a portable, color-accurate reference display suitable for professional photographers and videographers. The icing on the cake is the lightning-fast ultrasonic fingerprint scanner embedded beneath the display, which provides both security and convenience without compromising the screen's stunning visual performance. This is display technology that doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. Under the hood, this device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Built on TSMC's 3nm process, the 15 Ultra isn't just fast, it's savage. In benchmarks, it scores 2.7 million on AnTuTu, which is expected for a flagship CPU. Paired with 16GB RAM, with 2 storage option, 512GB and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage, apps install in seconds, and 4K video edits feel desktop-level smooth. Xiaomi's dual-channel ice loop cooling system, featuring vapor chambers and piezoelectric fans, keeps thermals in check during marathon sessions. In high-graphics games, it sustains 60 frames per second at max settings without throttling, though the fans produce a faint hum. The HyperOS 2.0 with Android 15 is leaner than ever, with AI-driven features like predictive resource allocation, which preloads apps based on your habits. Now let's talk about the camera, where the 15 Ultra really shines. Xiaomi and Leica have elevated mobile photography with their collaborative quad-camera system on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, blending cutting-edge hardware and computational artistry. The setup features a 50-megapixel wide-angle main camera with a 1-inch Sony LYT-900 sensor, an f1.6 aperture, and dual native ISO for expansive 12-stop dynamic range, alongside with 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering 5 times optical zoom, up to 120 times digital zoom, enhanced by a 50-megapixel floating telephoto lens that sharpens macro shots as close as 10 centimeters. Complementing this is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens with a 115-degree field of view, leveraging freeform optics to eliminate edge distortion. In practice, daylight images strike a balance between precision and realism, preserving natural skin tones and shadow detail. Low-light performance impresses with the Nightography Ultra algorithm, which brightens scenes without overprocessing, though the telephoto lens occasionally falters with motion blur in dim conditions. Video capabilities soar with 8K at 30 frames per second, Dolby Vision recording, and Honeybee Stabilization 2.0, delivering gimbal-like smoothness, though the ultra-wide's lack of laser autofocus limits focus speed in dynamic scenarios. Despite these minor compromises, the system bridges the gap between smartphone convenience and professional-grade imaging, offering mobile creatives a near DSLR experience in their pocket. The device revolutionizes battery technology with its advanced silicon carbon battery system, offering different capacities, a 5,410 mAh for global and 6,000 mAh for Chinese market, while achieving a remarkable 20% higher energy density than conventional lithium-ion batteries. In real-world testing, this powerhouse delivers exceptional endurance, providing 8.5 hours of continuous screen-on time with 5G connectivity active and an impressive 25 hours of uninterrupted video playback. Where it truly stands out is in charging performance. The blistering 90-watt hypercharge technology achieves a full charge in record time, while the 80-watt wireless charging matches the speed of many wired solutions. The 10-watt reverse wireless charging capability outperforms competitors, efficiently powering accessories like earbuds at nearly double the speed of standard implementations. Xiaomi backs this innovation with long-term reliability assurances, claiming the battery maintains 90% of its original capacity even after 1,000 complete charge cycles, thanks to intelligent AI algorithms that optimize charging patterns based on usage behavior and environmental conditions. This combination of massive capacity, ultra-fast charging, and industry-leading longevity sets a new benchmark for mobile power solutions. Now here's my final verdict, priced at 4,499 dirhams for 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra transcends conventional smartphone boundaries, positioning itself as a bold statement for photographers, gamers, and power users seeking unmatched versatility. Its groundbreaking display and lightning-fast charging technology alone make the premium cost justifiable. However, the device isn't without compromises. Its substantial weight and angular design challenge one-handed comfort, pre-installed bloatware detracts from the otherwise polished Ultra experience, and the telephoto lens, while capable, falls short of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's AI-driven zoom prowess. This phone shines brightest for professionals seeking a DSLR alternative, tech aficionados demanding cutting-edge innovation, and travelers requiring rugged durability. On the flip side, minimalists prioritizing sleek, lightweight designs and budget-conscious buyers may find better value elsewhere. Check the Xiaomi 15, the smaller brother. Ultimately, the 15 Ultra caters to those willing to invest in top-tier performance, provided they can overlook its few, yet notable, shortcomings. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!